How's it going, everyone? My name is Ashley, aka AT Yo-Yo Superstar, and today we are going to learn a star tower combo. This is what the trick looks like. Now there is already a combo of this online, so feel free to check it out if you don't understand this video, but I thought I'd give it a shot myself. I will say that this trick is for everyone, but it will be easier if you know the 1.5 mount and the trick super flow. Let's get started. First things first, let's do our 1.5 mount, but around our thumb on our non-throw hand. Recall the 1.5 mount is just bringing the string around both fingers and then mounting it on that bottom string, but we're going to do that with our thumb instead of our pointer finger on our non-throw hand, just like that. The next part, as I mentioned, looks a lot like super flow, so you are just going to swing the yo-yo and underpass it with your non-throw hand and land it here. So you'll have two string segments here, and they'll be mounted on the bottom. So you've got the 1.5 mount around your thumb, swing it and underpass. Now, this part's a little tricky on camera, but you're gonna lift up the yo-yo and bring it over this string towards you, just like that. So this back string here, coming off of my middle finger on my throw hand, we're going over that with our yo-yo, okay, here, and then just dropping it in. So you've got the 1.5 mount over your thumb, swing and underpass like in super flow, pick up the yo-yo, put it over this bottom string. Now the tricky part kind of to see is you're going to raise up this part with your throw hand thumb, and then you're going to pull this string through. This is lifted up, okay, and we're going to pull this string with our throw hand and curl it. Keep that string on your thumb and hold it out. Now you're gonna form the star shape, just like this. Okay, so again, lift this up with your thumb, pull this through, and then kind of switch spots. The other thing, if you drop this thumb and you get this X, just lift it back up. You're not gonna get anything different. You'll still get the star. And then the last part of the trick is going into the tower shape. So after you get your star shape here, you're just going to drop your thumbs on both hands. Bing! Now you have a sideways tower. And to get out of this, really you're not gonna get any knots, so you're gonna be able to get out whatever way you want. So you can literally just drop the yo-yo, or you can try something different. So what I like to do is I like to drop my non-throw hand and have it both on the same hand, swing it around and do a one-handed bind. I think that's really flashy and cool, so you can try that. The other thing you can do is drop your throw hand pointer, and you're already kind of in a twisty bind, so you can just turn and do your normal bind from there. Or if you'd like, you can drop your non-throw hand and then go into like this sub mount and go into a different combo. So those are a few options besides just dropping the yo-yo. So there you have it, y'all. That is your star and tower combo. I learned this trick from my friend Abby. I will drop her IG handle in the description, but again, you can find this combo on YouTube by other players. Feel free to check it out if mine didn't make sense. If it did make sense, give it a like, drop a comment, and always be respectful in the comments. Please ask questions if you have them. I am open to answering questions. My name's Ashley, aka AT Yo-Yo Superstar, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.